Hello and welcome to today's phonics lesson. I'm going to show you 3 pictures. When you see them, tell me what they are. Ready? That's right. Here we have ball, bus, bread. That's right. All of them start with the same sound. Do you know what sound they start with? Of course, they all start with the B sound. Let's practice saying the B sound together. Ready? B, B, B. Very good. Let's say it really quietly. B, B, B. Let's say it really loudly. B, B, B. Let's say it to the ceiling. Now to the floor. P, p, p. Now let's say to each other. B, b, b. Now as we know, sometimes it's a bit tricky to remember a sound. So we can use some action to help us. The action for the B sound is this. Like we are hitting a B, B ball with the B, B bat. Can you try with me? Very good. I wonder if we can think any other word that start with the B sound. Pause the video. Give yourself some time to think. Okay. I thought of the 3 words right now. I share it with you now. I thought of baby, book, bed. Did you think any of those? Many of those are completely different words. Baby, book, bed. Well done. I've hidden 3 B in this picture. Can you help them to find? Pause the video. Give yourself some time to look. Shall we see where they've been hiding? Of course, there they are. Well done. To finish today's video, we are going to write the B sound in the air like this. Can you try with me? Well done! Don't forget, there are lots more phonics lessons on this channel. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button. Then you will never miss a lesson again.